mostly you'll meet people that receive your message and go, what can I do to serve? You may have to teach them. Some people just don't know how to network. So it could be they've never been to a networking event, or they've never received any kind of, I don't want to use the word love, but they haven't received that effective guidance.
Right.
So you have to teach them that start by serving. So that comes from church. Right. Personally, that comes from my personal belief where I'm a servant first and then I'm a business person. Nice. And it just happens organically. I have no idea half the time what's going to happen.